Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show listening activity on your profile in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the top left corner, tap on the profile icon, then we tap on settings and privacy, then we tap on privacy and social, and here we have listening activity as the second option from the list. We can turn this on, and then our followers and friends will be able to see what you are listening to in the past few days or weeks. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you want to share your listening activity, you can do it just like this right here. If not, you can keep it turned off, but that's basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.